Welcome. In front of me I have TCL 20SE, and today I will show you how Face Unlock works in this smartphone. So let's make a few tries and let's see how it performs. As you can see right now, we can say that it's reliable. It can recognize my face every time, but honestly it's not that fast that in other smartphones from this year. But it works not that bad. But honestly, I prefer more in this smartphone fingerprint sensor that you can find on the back. It's definitely faster. So yeah, that's how Face Unlock works in TCL 20SE. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.